Hello children and parents, I'm Eric. I am from New Jersey, America. You are with me on Mixed English Letters. Now, we begin the lesson with mixed alphabets, E-A and E-A-R. This lesson is most suitable for children at the age of 6 to 10, and it should be supervised by adults who can speak English. Remember that material code, which can be found at the bottom, represents each lesson. Primarily, our consultant will ask for the code before we can answer your questions, no matter how you make inquiry, by text message, or by phone call. The next slide will show you the content of this lesson. The lesson of mixed alphabets, E-A and E-A-R, will start with English alphabet sounds, followed by identify alphabet sounds. Listen to consonants blend song. Watch and repeat. Listen, point and repeat. Practice. Listen and chant. Review mixed alphabets, E-A and E-A-R. Finally, listen to mixed alphabet song. Now, listen to English alphabet sounds.
A makes A, B makes B, C makes K, and D makes D. E makes E, F makes F, and G makes G, 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 G. H makes H, I makes I, J makes J, and K makes K. L makes M makes and N makes N, 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 N. O makes O, P makes P, Q makes Q, and R makes R. S makes S, and T makes T, and U makes V makes V, W makes W, X makes X, and Y makes Y, Z makes Z. And that is the end of the song. A makes A, B makes B, C makes K, and D makes D. E makes E, F makes F, and G makes G, 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 G. H makes H, I makes I, J makes J, and K makes K. L makes M makes and N makes N, 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 N. O makes O, P makes P, Q makes Q, and R makes R. S makes S, and T makes T, and U makes V makes V, W makes W, X makes X, and Y makes Y, Z makes Z. And that is the end of the song.
Thank you. Now, identify English alphabet sounds. You must listen to the instruction very carefully before you begin. Instruction. Listen to a sound of English alphabet. Then, point the correct alphabet correspond to the sound you have heard. You must start to listen now. Number 1. Point the alphabet having this sound.
M. M. This is the M sound. M. M. This is the M sound.
Number 2. Point the alphabet having this sound.
Ah. This is the ah sound. Ah. This is the ah sound.
Number 3. Point the alphabet having this sound.
R, r. This is the r sound. R, r. This is the r sound.
Number 4. Point the alphabet having this sound.
V, v. This is the v sound. V, v. This is the v sound.
Number 5. Point the alphabet having this sound.
Z, z. This is the z sound. Z, z. This is the z sound.
Thank you. Please check your answers on the next slide. The answers. Number 1. The alphabet M. Number 2. The alphabet O. Number 3. The alphabet R. Number 4. The alphabet V. And number 5. The alphabet Z. Okay, let's enjoy a song called Consonant Blends by Jack Hartman.
Children's songs, sing and move along. Children's songs make your brain and body strong. They are two letters that work together to help make words begin. They are two letters that work together and you can call them blends. They are two letters that work together to help make words begin. They are two letters that work together and you can call them blends. Here are some letters that work together. B says B, R says R. Together they say brr, like in bread. C says K, R says R. Together they say crr, like in crocodile. D says D, R says R. Together they say drr, like in dragon. F says F, R says R. Together they say frr, like in frog. Ribbit. G says G, R says R. Together they say grr, like in grapes. P says P, R says R. Together they say prr, like in present. T says T, R says R. Together they say trr, like in train. B says B, L says L. Together they say bull, like in block. C says K, L says L. Together they say cl, like in clown. F says F, L says L. Together they say full, like in flag. They are two letters that work together to help make words begin. They are two letters that work together and you can call them blends. They are two letters that work together to help make words begin. They are two letters that work together and you can call them blends. They are two letters that work together.
Thank you. Now, watch and repeat.
This is bread. What's the middle sound in the word bread?
Eh.
That's right. Bread. This is a bear. Do you remember the air sound? What's the ending sound in the word bear?
Air.
That's right. Air. Bear. This is bread. What's the middle sound in the word bread?
Eh.
That's right. Bread. Br. D. Bread.
Br. Eh. D. Bread.
D. Head.
Eh. D. Head.
This is a bear. Do you remember the air sound? What's the ending sound in the word bear?
Air.
That's right. Air. Bear. B. Air. Bear.
B. Air. Bear.
Air. Pear.
Air. Pear.
Thanks for watching and repeating all the words. Now, listen, point, and repeat.
1,
Br. D. Bread.
Br. Eh. D. Bread.
2,
D. Head.
Eh. D. Head.
3,
B. Air. Bear.
B. Air. Bear.
4,
Air. Pear.
Air. Pear.
It's time to practice. Now, you must listen to the instructions very carefully before you begin. Instructions. Listen and write the word you hear. Then, match to the picture. You must start to listen, now.
1,
Bear. Bear.
2,
Head. Head.
3,
Bread. Bread.
4,
Pear. Pear.
Thank you. Please check your answers on the next slide. Listen and chant.
Bear, pear, bread, head.
Bear, pear, bread, head.
Bear, pear,
Bear, pear,
bread, head.
bread, head.
Bread, head. Bear, pear.
Bread, head. Bear, pear.
The bear has a pear
The bear has a pear
and bread on his head.
and bread on his head.
The bear has a pear and bread on his head.
The bear has a pear and bread on his head.
Okay, review mixed alphabets, E-A and E-A-R. How do you pronounce this?
This is bread. What's the middle sound in the word bread?
Eh.
That's right. Bread.
How do you pronounce this?
This is a bear. Do you remember the air sound? What's the ending sound in the word bear?
Air.
That's right. Air. Bear.
How do you read this word? Then, match to the correct picture. Thank you. Please, check your reading and matching on the next slide.
Bread. Bread.
Bread.
How do you read this word? Then, match to the correct picture. Thank you. Please, check your reading and matching on the next slide.
Air. Pear.
Air. Pear.
How do you read this word? Then, match to the correct picture. Thank you. Please, check your reading and matching on the next slide.
Air. Bear.
Air. Bear.
How do you read this word? Then, match to the correct picture. Thank you. Please, check your reading and matching on the next slide.
Head. Head.
Head.
Now, listen to mixed alphabet song.
Dad takes my brother and me so the man can cut our hair.
My brother is short, he sits on a board. I'm tall, I sit in the chair. The man sprays water on our heads and then he cuts our hair.
Dad takes my brother and me so the man can cut our hair.
It's August, so he cuts it short. Now we can see our ears. This time my brother does not cry, and we all give a cheer. Yay!
Dad takes my brother and me so the man can cut our hair.
My brother is short, he sits on a board. I'm tall, I sit in the chair. The man sprays water on our heads, and then he cuts our hair.
Dad takes my brother and me so the man can cut our hair.
It's August, so he cuts it short. Now we can see our ears. This time my brother does not cry, and we all give a cheer. Yay!
Be tall. Be short. Spray the water. Cut your hair. Touch your ears. Give a cheer. Yay!
Well, here is the end of the lesson of mixed alphabets, EA and EAR. Visit our website to find out more useful lessons. Please, help like our Facebook page, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video, and practicing all exercises. Thank you.